Yeah, hi Fred, it's Mark at FMAV. Just to let you know that I've done your part for you. This one I've pretty done a real refurb job on this one. Okay, so basically this one was the busted one. Okay, first off, I've taken it apart, I've given it a service, so I've cleaned the cogs, I've cleaned the micro switch, and I've changed the laser for you. Okay, so it's been on test for quite a while, so it's all working as it should be. Now this is number 2. You know, it's in reasonable condition for the age, obviously. The wear on it is, you know, it's minor, it's just average. Now, okay, what I have done there, right, so you can hear it spinning and playing, can't you? Right, so I'm just going to turn it off. Right, so basically, and look at this, look at this, look at this bit of kit here. Do you want to buy one of these, Fred? I can let you have one of these for 100 quid. Right, okay, basically, what I've done here is this was the broken one. Right, so I had crack in there, right, and basically this spindle never worked. Okay, so that was pushed down, so it wouldn't work. All right, but you can see it's spinning free. So what I've done is basically I've replaced this part here. Okay, you know, like I say, it was a grey part because it come off a Bang & Olufsen, but I've sprayed it up for you. I've made it look good. It's a proper job, that one there, Fred. Really, I should charge you 100 quid just for doing that, you know. But yeah, seems you're a good buddy. Nah, I've done that for you, Fred. So you know, hopefully that's you know, you're happy with that, and all is good on that one. So yeah, that's number 2 for you. So thanks again, buddy, and I'm going to carry on working and see if I can get these out for you. Cheers, buddy.